Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw cash with your Chime card. So, in order to do this, first of all open the Chime app and tap the Move Money option. Then tap ATM Map option and this will show you all the fee-free ATMs near you, including partners like Allpoint, MoneyPass and Visa Plus Alliance. Avoid non-network ATMs to escape extra charges. Now, at the ATM, insert your Chime Visa debit card and enter your PIN. Select Withdraw Money from the main menu. Then choose your checking account if prompted. Now, type in the amount you would like to withdraw, up to $500 per day for most users. Then, confirm the transaction and the ATM will dispense your cash instantly. Always take your card and receipt after completing the transaction. And if you don't want to use an ATM, you can also get cash back when stopping at stores like Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, or Target. Just select debit and enter your PIN during checkout. Then choose the cashback amount. After withdrawing, open your Chime app to check your updated balance. You will also get an instant transaction alert for your records. I also have a tip for you. Chime doesn't charge ATM fee at an in-network machines, but out-of-network ATMs may. So always use the app's ATM locator to stay fee-free and secure. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.